It's a vegan truffle. I know the word truffle, right? It means cream and it means butter, it means melted chocolate, and it's like, what's the chocolate got in it? It's insane. So hemp seeds are fantastic to add to this. And I'm using something really cool, which I'm using cacao paste. And I'm also using my favorite ingredient, which is black tahini. And all I'm going to do is put all of this into there besides the water and the tahini. I'm going to do that last. So here we go. So we've got the cacao paste. I've got these amazing raisins. Some gorgeous desiccated coconut. Some almond meal. And some coconut sugar. And some of these delicious pepitas. That just went everywhere. Salt, important, very important. Okay, I'm going to blitz this for about 10 seconds. Check this out, it's formed this powder type consistency. Look at it. I'm gonna add the water first. Just a drop. And then I'm gonna add this very lush black gold into here. We're gonna blitz. Okay, you ready for this? Ready for this? Check this out. It's holding together beautifully just from those two ingredients, right? It's amazing. Oh my gosh, I love this one. And I reckon, I don't know, 30 grams maybe, do you think? Yeah. I reckon. So you get it, right? And you squish it in your hands like this. Okay, and then I sit that on there and it's the...
Exactly 30 grams?
Check this out. This is a master right here. Check that out. Turning it around like this. And then you're going to roll into a ball. Totally smaller than that if you want to. And you're going to get some coconut, right? It's great for kids to do this. Straight into there. Make a mess. I love to teach you how to make this from scratch. And there's something quite special. Some raw dried chickpeas, which is the very important part, is to add some baking soda. And have a look at the difference. And a lot of people freak out when they soak chickpeas or any beans because you get this kind of scumminess on the surface. Don't worry about it. It's just all starting to ferment and all the things are happening. But you can see the difference in the expansion of these beautiful little isms. So they're super activated and they're ready to be cooked. Okay, next step is to cook them. It's literally 2 litres of water. I'm really glad I'm teaching you this because it's going to change your whole life. The next step is to add a strip of kombu, which is a seaweed. For me, it's like a wonderful, it's in my cleanse detox program. It is a must-have ingredient and it lasts for a long time. Sometimes you can buy it that it's not all cut up like this. It's kind of long. And sometimes you can buy it cut up like that. Now, if I taste it, it's super salty and seaweedy. It's really quite nice. A clove of garlic. I just squish it and take the skins off. Just rip it up. Just a slice of onion like this and straight in. And then pepper and some salt. And this is gonna go onto high heat so I can get it to the boil. And as soon as it comes to the boil, I'm gonna put a lid on this just to the side and I'm gonna simmer it for a couple of hours. These have been simmering for about an hour and I know they're not cooked, but I want to show you how you can tell that they're not cooked. Just going to strain it. Now you don't want to throw away this cooking water. Now you'll see bits of the kelp that go in there, that's fine. That's fine, but you want to keep majority of that kelp. And I'm using white tahini, so that's white sesame seeds. I've got some coriander powder. And I want some cumin powder as well. Just a little bit, this is just my preference, the coriander powder and the little bit of cumin. It's just like 1/4 teaspoon. Olive oil. And then lemon juice. I'm gonna process for a good 5 minutes. Very deliciously tasty situation over here, about what, actually 2 tablespoons. And I'm gonna whiz this up, and if this still is quite, you know, thick and pasty, I'm gonna add another couple of tablespoons in. Okay, look how creamy this is. It is so creamy. Seriously, so creamy. It's whipped. It's had a good whipping, everybody, for a good 5 minutes. Oh, this is just gorgeously whipped. And just with a rustic edge, a little bit of olive oil in the little pockets of these little situations, just to give a little bit of flavor and a little bit of texture. Best homemade hummus you can ever make in your life. I love crackers. I love crackers with dips, with cheese, with vegan cheese, with good raw cheese. I love it with almond butter. I love it with guacamole. I love crackers. And then tear it, and I want 170 grams of flour. Come on, come on, come on. And they go in 5 gram increments, so 170, boom. Okay, flour into here. Some oregano, the flavor. Definitely want salt. Just gonna bring out so much yumminess. So I want a few of these. Kalamata olives are the best. I've just got these little black dodgy ones at the moment. It's all I could find. But you just want to kind of, yes, no seeds, correct. So just a rough cut. Give this a good mix. They're pretty much a league of their own, pastry chefs. Okay. To actual dough. If you have a look and scroll down in my playlist, you'll see a flatbread recipe, and it's done with really hot water, and this lady taught me how to make this flatbread, and it's amazing. Just stir that oil in around everything. Now I'm going to get a little bit of water, hot water. Just going to mix this through. I can feel it with my spoon that it's getting a little bit dry, but I don't want to take it over the edge where it's too wet. A little bit more water. And I'm just going to knead, and as soon as it starts to stick, I'm just going to move that flour over. Go for it. Let me know how you go. See how it's not sticking, which is brilliant. Okay, that's looking good. I am going to use this. I'm just going to roll it out separately. All right, you can do whatever shape you like. So I'm just going to cut it, just running my knife through just to make a situation. And kind of just stick them on, please hold. I do some with seeds and some without, hey? Just. Yep, 25 minutes. And I'm super stoked actually. Dun, 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 dun. Give me some of that spread. Oh, they are hot. Mm-mm.